Hi friends, just received this new sock auxiliary. This is great for people that cannot bend down to put their own socks. So you put them here, and with these strings you help yourself to put on your socks. We're gonna try it. It comes with these instructions on how to use it. Okay, so these accessories aim for people that cannot bend down, elderly people, or people that are recovering from a surgery or whatever reason that you cannot bend down. This auxiliary will help you to put on your own socks. Let's try it. Okay friends, so let me show you how to use this socks helper, this wearing socks auxiliary. Okay, you want to put your sock. Remember that you are going to use this auxiliary because you can't bend over, you can't reach your feet for any reason. So you want to organize everything here. You are going to put your sock in the helper, okay? Perfect, okay? So now, remember, you can't bend over, you can't reach to your feet. You put it in the floor, you put your foot inside the helper, okay? And you start to, so you put it and you start to get your sock up like this, slowly. So you get it all the way up, you see? And well, that's it. You have your sock in your foot. We're going to do the same for the other one, okay? This blue sponge helps the sock to get all the way up, okay? Perfect. So you do it again. You put the auxiliary in the floor, you get your foot inside, and you start to take it up with this helper, okay? Slowly, so you get your sock all the way up, and ready. That's it, you're ready to go out to put your maybe slip-on shoe or some slippers or whatever. But with this helper, you can put your socks even if you are not able to bend over to reach to your feet, okay? So if you are in the need of something like this, I really recommend this accessory. It's a really, really good one. Really, it can take almost any kind of sock up your feet, okay? Perfect, thank you very much.